I'm not sure if you've realized this, but this question right here is exactly why we started our business. We wanted to take the most powerful herbs in the world that, while for some people are enjoyable delicacies, like I personally really enjoy the taste of lion's mane, but I know that's not going to be the case for everybody. So these herbs are very powerful and for some very enjoyable, but for many others, especially in America and the Western world, not necessarily so enjoyable. So I wanted to put them inside the most delicious vehicles to get into your body. So we have, for example, our focus chocolate. It's got lion's mane in there, along with Siberian ginseng and ashwagandha, and so that's a great way to get it in. You can also look at our elixir blends. So in our matcha and our chai and our caramel elixir blends, we've got lion's mane dual extract in all of those. So those are great ways to get it in. We also have other recipe videos on our YouTube channel, different, things like ice creams, and we have a zucchini bread video that you could easily put lion's mane into, and it actually tastes more like vanilla birthday cake than our bread, to be honest, but it's pretty spectacular. So lots of different ways you can work it into recipes. Of the herbs, lion's mane has one of the more gentle flavors. There's a lot of things you can add it into. Like we put up a pine pollen mango popsicle recently. You could have put mango into there. If you're making a smoothie, you could add it in, and it pretty well blends in. Especially if it's a chocolate like cacao smoothie, it'll easily hide under the flavor of the cacao. So there's lots of experimental recipe ways you can go, but if you're just wanting to get started, check out our elixir blends, check out our focus chocolate. Those are the easiest, simple, ready to go ways to get lion's mane into your body so you can start to experience the benefits.